Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode recipe with Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple, lazy meal prep. We're making dinner and breakfast this go around, and these are the ingredients for the ground turkey. I call it succotash. And we're going to make it low carb. So I'm going to saute my onions, peppers, garlic. You can use any colored peppers you prefer. I had both, so I just used them both for some razzle-dazzle. And I'm going to season this up with some Tony's. Again, this weekend was pretty long and rough, and I just wanted to do something fast and quick just to have my meals ready to go in the week. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I just feel like meal prep shouldn't take your entire day all the time. And this go around, it only took me 45 minutes to cook meals for 2 people for 4 days. So I'm excited about that because, y'all, I be cooking almost every single day. I don't go anywhere. I don't eat out. So, this definitely takes the strain off of things for me. So I added my green seasoning paste, my ground turkey. You want to cook that out just like I'm doing here. Get it all nice and mixed in. And, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And let me know that, you're part of the squad. So next I'm going to add my fire roasted tomatoes as well as my corn. All these vegetables are actually, interchangeable. You don't like tomatoes, use zucchini. You don't like zucchini, use something else. So they're interchangeable. I like the fire roasted tomatoes. They have a lot of flavor, and so I use them. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. Alright, so this is what it looks like once it's done. I'm not doing anything else to this. You didn't see me add a lot of seasoning because I use my homemade seasoning paste. However, I can have options for you to season your meat with in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. Now I'm going to boil my cauliflower. That's it. I'm just going to boil it. There's nothing else to it. It's not rocket science. Just boil it. That's it. Now I'm just going to work on the eggs. Making these little egg muffin things, they're very convenient. Let's say I have to go to the doctor's office or, go to the post office or something. I could just grab a couple of them, take them in a car with me with some orange juice or some water, and I keep it moving. So I like these little things, especially if I know I have to be on the go. So I'm going to mix up my eggs. Make sure you beat it, child. You got to beat them eggs up with some seasoning. And now you want to spray down your muffin tins. Make sure you spray it down. This is not optional. You need to spray it. And then I'm just going to use a measuring cup. That helps me for it to be equal as well as less mess. And you want to put them all in there. I make sure I put some in all of the molds first, and then I go back around and add the rest that's left. And then I'm going to start adding my peppers and my cheese. Alright, now don't y'all go over there adding all this bunch of cheese to your muffins. It's just a little sprinkle. That's it, a little sprinkle for a little razzle-dazzle and flavor. These are what they look like. They turned out amazing, and I had one this morning, actually. It was really good. So now we're going to put the cauliflower and meat mixture together. I didn't season the cauliflower. I didn't need to. My meat was perfectly seasoned. You can season your water and season your cauliflower if you want to, but I'm going to show you my next step here that's going to add even more flavor. So next I'm going to add a lot of fresh basil to the cauliflower like I'm doing here. If you don't like basil, I guess you could use parsley, but I wanted that extra flavor. Next, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. I feel like the mozzarella cheese has less sodium and salt, in my opinion anyway, and less fat. But if I'm wrong, make sure you comment below and let me know your opinion and what you think. Next, I'm going to add the meat on top, and that's it. It's done. It's done. This took me about 45 minutes, and I don't have to cook dinner for the next 3 days or so. So I'm happy about that. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and I hope you guys give it a try. It's easy to make. It was actually really delicious. I think I'm going to put this in my rotation because I like the meat mixture a lot with all those veggies. These are the muffins. They look great. They smell great. And yeah, so I have everything in the description box, including the green seasoning paste, or you can buy it at the store. It's definitely in the international market, in an international aisle in any supermarket, I believe, but more so in the international market. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.